Detroit, known by many as the Motor City and Motown and the D, also has some of Michigan's most dangerous intersections. Crashes often happen at Joy Road and M39, with 78 crashes and 27 injuries reported in 2024 alone. 7 Mile Road and I-75 with 69 crashes and 36 injuries, and Connor Street and Gratiot Avenue, also very dangerous. But Michigan Auto Law is here to help. If you are searching for the best car accident lawyers in Detroit, here's what you need to know. After a crash, exchange information, take photos, and get medical attention if you're hurt. Then speak with an attorney before talking to any insurance company. Michigan's no-fault laws are complex, and insurance companies often try to limit what they should pay. Our Detroit car accident lawyers work hard to recover full and fair compensation for you, including medical benefits and lost wages, while helping protect you from denied or delayed claims. This is what sets Michigan Auto Law apart. So do you need a lawyer after a car accident in Detroit? The answer is yes. An experienced attorney can make a real difference for you. A skilled law firm handles everything, from the investigation to negotiation, so you can focus on healing. Call Michigan Auto Law today for a free consultation. There are no fees until we win for you.